In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to use the Steam Wishlist, from adding games to organizing and filtering them efficiently. First, open Steam and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, browse the store like you normally would or start a discovery queue. When you find a game you're interested in, click on it to open its store page. Below the game screenshots and trailers, you'll see the button Add to your wish list. Click that and the game is instantly saved to your wish list. This is useful for tracking games you might want to buy later, especially during sales. Now, to find your wish list, look at the top menu in Steam. Go to Store and in the drop-down menu, click on Wish List. This will take you to a page that shows all the games you've saved. At the top right of your wish list, you can switch between two display modes, Compact View and Expanded View. Compact View shows more games at once in a simple list, while Expanded View gives you larger images and more details like tags and compatibility information about each game. Next, let's look at filtering options. On the right side of the wishlist page in the Options menu, you'll find several filters you can use. You can filter by discount to quickly see which games are currently on sale. You can also filter by price, which is helpful if you're working within a budget. There's also a filter for game type, allowing you to narrow down your wish list to categories like DLC, full games, or software. Additionally, you can filter by Steam Deck compatibility to see which games are verified or playable on the Steam Deck. Verified means the game is fully functional, while playable games may need some tinkering. You can not just filter, but also sort the games by discount, price, release date, or Steam review scores, and you have the option to make your own ranking system of them by how important these games are for you. Using these filters together makes it much easier to manage large wish lists and quickly find the best deals or the most relevant games for you. And that's it. You now know how to add games, find your wish list, and use all the key filters to organize it like a pro.